moment to moment.
Namaskar, I'm Dr. Lara Shah. In this pandemic, all of us have to reassess, reorganize, restructure our lifestyle, our thoughts, our plans, our work, our habits, everything. And all we need right now is some positive news and positive energy and positive people. Today, I'm only going to talk about positive vibes and how you can achieve it in your home, in yourself, and from people around you. In space healing, first you do declutter, you do all the 3 therapies of lemon, salt, and camphor. And now you do sound therapy. What is sound therapy? Music lifts up the energy of a person, it changes your mood, it also changes the vibration of a space. We will use music in the house in a strategic way. Let me explain to you all an experiment we did many years ago for geopathic stress healing, where we were checking about the energies of the space, how does electromagnetic radiation affect people's health, why is cancer so prevalent now, and things like that. Many years ago we had practiced this one experiment where in a sound studio we had a lot of trays filled with sand and we played the Gayatri mantra. The sound was so loud that with the vibration the sand moved, and guess what the pattern was? The pattern was of Shri Yantra, the geometric pattern. That means sound is powerful, therapeutic, and also the mantras are very powerful. Coming back to sound therapy, what you need to do is play music for 2 to 3 hours subtly on a very soft volume in your living room or your bedroom in the evenings and living room in the day. You could play instrumental, religious, mantras, whatever that you like, music that you enjoy, but on a very subtle note. So as the frequency continues, because there are different notes in music, the vibration will shift and it will move. And when there is moving vibration, plus you have all the therapies done, the environment of the house remains positive. And you don't have to make effort all the time to remain positive, because the environment is peaceful and positive. You'll also feel that too. There's a question here which says, why do I have negative thoughts? What do I do for that? Why do I have anxiety and I worry about the future? What should I do for that? So now we will do spiritual declutter. Here you practice a habit that will change and reprogram your mind. If I tell you that you are the master of your life and you can change it, will you practice something for 10 minutes every day? Yeah? So morning 5 minutes and evening 5 minutes. There are 3 things that you can do. Mantra chanting, positive affirmations, or meditation. You can do either or all. I also like Pico breathing when you feel extreme anxiety. If you go on my Instagram, there is a full detailed video on how to do that. Also for affirmation, your negative thoughts, anxiety, pessimistic behavior, wondering why somebody said something, taking everything personally, being sensitive, feeling depressed, low, using language that is negative, you can use positive affirmations where you can change your habits into I'm positive, I'm happy, I'm strong, I'm protected, I'm loved, things like that. Even that you can check on my Instagram page. And meditation, any form of meditation or silence. If you write to me, I will send you all a link with my voice in it. So it will help you to meditate, and also for affirmations, you could write to me and send you something that's customized for you. But if you practice this in the night, just as you're sleeping, you're entering from the alpha beta into the theta level. Theta is when your brain cells and neurons are all working together to reprogram and restructure your thoughts. So when you are in that zone, at that point in time, when you're doing mantra chant or affirmations or meditation, it brings a shift. And when you practice this for 21 days without a break, it really works its magic. Also in the morning, just as you're waking up, you're coming from the theta state into the alpha. So as you're moving from that phase, just as you wake up, do your 5-minute ritual of meditation or affirmation that you like, and practice this and see. So in space healing, we are going to do declutter of your physical space, decluttering of your mind, and also spiritual. This will create positive vibrations in your environment, in your space, around you, and it's simple and easy to practice. For spiritual declutter, make sure that you have reminders on your phone so that you don't miss the 21-day cycle. In lemon therapy, change the lemons every 2 weeks, and the lemon under your pillow has to be changed within 7 days. For salt therapy, you have to change the salt every 3 weeks. Replace with snow salt or sea salt. It's easy. I continue to do it throughout the year. You can do it as long as you want, and you've achieved good vibrations. Then you can take a break and then start the salt therapy as well. Remember, intention is very powerful. The power of intention plays a huge role in space healing. Whenever you're placing anything, whether it's lemon therapy or you're doing anything at all, your intention has to be that there is good vibes in your house, you're feeling peaceful, the energy is great, everything is going fine, life is beautiful, and you have to do a little bit of self-talk. It always works. When you are doing declutter, remember one very important point, that after you have put your salt or your lemon therapy, wash your hands with salt. And also before you go to bed, wash your feet with water so that you can rinse out any energy that you have collected throughout the day. Salt therapy, you have to include washing your hands at least once with salt. Whenever you feel more agitated or anxious, you can use salt to wash your hands. And make sure that you do all these therapies. Anything that you practice is before sunset. You can practice any of the declutters or the therapies from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. After sunset, please don't do. These were just a few basic things that you can do right now while you are in self-quarantine. Don't worry, things will all be fine by May end, and we will all meet very soon. Namaste, God bless, healing to all.
Tattvam Asi, creating moment to moment.